Tesla is planning to partially shut down Gigafactory Shanghai for a few weeks in order to upgrade the factory to a weekly capacity of 21,000 electric vehicles. Welcome to Tech Heaven, and in this video we'll take a look at some latest news on Tesla's Shanghai Gigafactory. Curious to know? Let's find out. After a forced shutdown due to COVID-19 restrictions in Shanghai and then supply chain issues limiting production, Tesla is now planning a voluntary shutdown of at least some of its production in order to make some significant upgrades. According to Bloomberg, the upgrade will begin in July and will last until early August, with the goal of increasing total production to more than 21,000 vehicles per week. The factory south of Shanghai is expected to be upgraded by around August the 7th, with output of the Model Y SUV increasing to 14,000 units per week, from around 11,000 units pre-pandemic, and production of the Model 3 sedan increasing to 7,700 units per week from 5,500 previously, according to the People. This would increase Tesla's annual production capacity in Shanghai to more than 1 million electric vehicles. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, recently stated that the Gigafactory Shanghai is only now returning to full production capacity of about 500,000 vehicles per year following the citywide lockdown. However, prior to the shutdown, Tesla had planned to significantly expand Gigafactory Shanghai to the point where the expansion has been referred to as a completely new factory. Tesla expects Gigafactory Shanghai to become the world's largest vehicle export hub if the upgrade is successful. Many of the vehicles manufactured at Gigafactory Shanghai are exported to other Asian markets, as well as Oceania and Europe. Tesla is also attempting to ramp up production at the Gigafactory Berlin and in Texas, where Model Y production began just a few months ago. The Shanghai Municipal Bureau of Ecology and Environment officially commissioned a portion of Tesla's manufacturing expansion project on July the 22nd, nearly a month after Tesla completed the second phase of the project. According to documents, Tesla completed the line expansion upgrades on June the 30th, with commissioning being the only step remaining before production could resume. According to the documents, the project was officially approved on July the 22nd. On January the 30th, 2021, construction began. According to the Bureau's project description, the project includes production processes such as vehicle stamping, welding, painting, and final assembly. After the project is completed, the capacity for producing pure electric vehicles will be increased. This phase includes the construction of a new body shop, new welding stations, and a paint shop, according to the environmental impact assessment document submitted by the Bureau of Ecology and Environment. The project was supposed to support the new model preliminary startup project, but that project was eventually killed off by CEO Elon Musk, who said during the Q4 earnings call early this year, "Well, we're not working on a $25,000 car right now. We will, at some point, but we have enough on our plate right now. Too much on our plate, to be honest. So, there will be at some point." The EIA's 25K vehicle was eventually scrapped. Instead, the company added an R&D center and planned to continue expanding the Model 3 and Model Y manufacturing lines to support increased output. It was reported in June that the Model 3 and Model Y line upgrades were well underway and would be completed in early August. With the expansion of both lines, Model Y production would increase to 14,000 units per week, up from 11,000. Furthermore, Model 3 weekly output would increase to 7,700 units, up from 5,500. By the way, if you're watching us for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can enjoy our future videos while getting updated. Getting back to the topic, according to the website of Shanghai's Municipal Bureau of Ecology and Environment, Tesla completed the upgrades in late June. On July the 22nd, the commissioning was finally completed. Tesla's Chinese business has had a difficult year as a result of mandatory COVID-19 shutdowns, which have impacted the company's production and profitability. According to reports, Tesla's quarterly revenue fell 18.56% in Q2. Gigafactory Shanghai has fully recovered from its June production shutdown. On August the 2nd, the Shanghai Enterprises and Institutions Environmental Information Platform revealed the details of a construction project in which Part C of Tesla's Gigafactory Shanghai project's second stage was completed on June the 30th this year, and commissioning began on July the 22nd. So far, the Tesla Gigafactory Shanghai project's entire second stage has been completed and is now in production. The Research and Development Center is located in the C section of Tesla's Gigafactory Shanghai project's second stage. The Research and Development Center, according to the company, has a total of 28 laboratories. At the moment, it focuses on the development of Tesla software and hardware, processes and technologies in China, as well as application adaptation and standard testing in the Chinese market and participation in global AI machine learning research and development. When the second stage of the production line optimization project was announced last November, Tesla revealed in its EIA report that the second stage of the Gigafactory Shanghai will be redivided into A, B, and C from the original two parts, with Part A improving the production capacity of a specific model production area. Part B will concentrate on the development of new models and related derivative models in the new model development area. Part C will construct a research and development center and conduct vehicle manufacturing tests such as environmental testing. The second stage of Tesla's Gigafactory Shanghai project began construction on January 30th, 2021. The construction includes increasing Model 3 production capacity in the first stage, adding complete vehicle production lines for Model Y, Model 3, and related derivative models, and covering the new Model Advanced Start project while adding research and development centers. However, Tesla revealed in its EIA report in November of last year that the construction of a new Model Advanced Start project has been cancelled. Interestingly, Chinese media revealed earlier this month that Tesla will lay off around 10% of its non-production positions in China, which could be a much smaller percentage of the total. However, the news is unofficial, and none of the sources were able to obtain an official response from the manufacturer. Tesla CEO Elon Musk stated in May that the company does not intend to open any new plants in China in the near future, instead focusing on expanding its existing site in Shanghai, which is the company's largest by volume. While a quarterly decline in Tesla China's numbers is unfortunate, the results are unsurprising given the COVID lockdowns that were implemented in the country in the second quarter. COVID lockdowns in Shanghai, for example, forced Tesla's Giga Shanghai facility to hold production for more than 3 weeks. Gigafactory Shanghai is located in Shanghai's Lingang and Pudong neighborhoods. On March 28th, the Lingang area was placed under lockdown, and residents' travel restrictions were not lifted until June 1st, 2022. As a result, Giga Shanghai could only return to 100% capacity utilization in early June 2022. The vehicles sold by Tesla China during the second quarter represented the company's challenges. Tesla China sold 1,512 vehicles and produced 10,757 in April, the month that saw the majority of the COVID lockdowns. According to data from the China Passenger Car Association, Tesla sold 32,165 vehicles in May and 78,906 units in June, resuming deliveries steadily as Giga Shanghai ramped up. Tesla revenue in China reached $8,437 million in the first half of this year, up 42.95% year-on-year, according to documents recently submitted to the US Securities and Exchange Commission. However, due to the suspension of its Gigafactory Shanghai in the second quarter, Tesla Q2 delivery decreased by 18% month-on-month, and revenue in China decreased by 18.56%. According to Tesla's financial report of the second quarter of this year, the annual production capacity of the Gigafactory Shanghai has surpassed 750,000 vehicles and will continue to expand. According to the China Passenger Car Association, Tesla China delivered a record-breaking 78,900 vehicles in June. Tesla China delivered 295,000 vehicles in the first half of this year. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. What are your views about Tesla's Shanghai Gigafactory? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.